Welcome to the Rome Assembly Walkthrough by Aero Systems West. Part 1, Frame Kit. Go ahead and move the frame out of the way and locate hardware from Bag E, along with the RFD airside package. Inside the package, you'll find the antennas, the RFD radio unit, and the daughter board. Start by removing the protective plastic cap from the connector pins on the RFD unit. Align the radio with the daughter board connector, making sure the cooling fins are facing upward. Gently press the radio into place. Do not fully seat the connector pins. A small visible gap should remain. Once aligned, install the retaining screw using hardware from Bag E, applying a small amount of thread locker. Finally, attach both antennas and angle them outward at approximately 45 degrees. No tool is needed for attaching and tightening the antenna. It can be tightened by finger. Once attached, please use caution to not break or damage antennas. Now bring the frame back into view. Make sure all protective caps have been removed from the mounting posts. Align the daughter board with the carrier board. The connectors will line up as shown. Orient the antennas toward the south side of the drone, opposite the GPS mast. Gently press the daughter board into place until it is fully seated. Then secure it using 4 screws from hardware Bag E. Apply a small amount of thread locker to each screw and tighten them securely. Next, we'll set up the RFD groundside radio. The unit is shipped pre-assembled. For this step, you'll only need to attach the antennas. Thread each antenna onto the module and tighten by hand. No tools are required. That completes the Rome frame kit assembly. If you've also purchased the build accessory package, continue to part 2 of this series to complete the system assembly.